Are you finally ready to take control of your business finances? We created the Numbers Made Easy program for Canadian entrepreneurs like you who need a cost-effective way to get their business set up right from the start. This foundational business program includes all of the pieces you need to set up a cohesive money system for your business. It also helps you with a lot of the decisions you might need to make. The best part is there's no monthly costs for software. There's no hidden fees. It's a one-time included with this package, and you can use it year after year until you're ready to upgrade to ongoing software. We include step-by-step tutorials that show you exactly how to use the software, how to get the reporting to work, and answers to most of your common questions while you're using the spreadsheets. You will get lifetime access to our training portal, which includes step-by-step videos, comprehensive video startup guidance, and of course, it includes the ongoing updates and resources as we add them to the portal. There is a smart money tool that is included, which is our customized spreadsheet that also allows you to have a nice profit and loss report to take to your accountant or tax preparer at year end. Best of all, this isn't just a training program where you go in and do it alone. There's expert support and guidance for you for the full duration of the 30 days of the initial part of the program. Part of that, you'll get access to one of our twice monthly office hours to ask any questions you have, to use as a work time to make sure you get the work done with myself or one of my senior team. We will be there to help you along the way to make sure you're not stuck anywhere and you get this set up and done. And finally have a system that you can rely on that isn't hard and expensive. Also included is a weekly Voxer or email, so you can have all your questions that you have, put them in an email, and we will get back to you, again, myself or one of our senior team, to support you during the week when you're not able to come to the office hours. There is some options for a bit more advanced information in the program if you require it, but we find most of our clients are just looking for the basics. They want to know how to get their numbers in their system, how to track them properly, and do it as easy and as efficiently as possible. We also have some really great information about your tech stack, and that is the components of your money system that you will need to have in place and how they play together when you have an online business. Think your shopping carts and whether they track sales tax for you, and your payment processors, thinking Stripe or PayPal, your website and accounting software. All of this is addressed so you can be prepared and proactive as your business grows. You can plan in the beginning for the growth that you're hoping to have, so you're not having to change softwares or change platforms partway through the game. You can set yourself up now for the success you're going to have later. We also go through a good component of tax write-offs, things that maybe you may be familiar with, and then things also that you may not be familiar with. We've got some really cool specific examples for specific business types where it might be things you've never even thought could be write-offs. This program is perfect for new business owners. So if you're just starting from scratch, you're starting your business and you want to make sure it's done right from the start, we've got you. Maybe you're well on your way and you've got your business going and it's just in those baby stages or even mid stages where everything is, it's all about cash flow. Money is tight. You're not even paying yourself probably. And you know you need something, but just the idea of getting an accounting software or paying someone to do it is just out of reach financially right now. Don't let your numbers or your lack of them hold you back, because with Numbers Made Easy, you'll create a simple, easy to follow system that works for both you and your business. Ready to get started? Click the sign up button to join us and make your business finances and professional. Our goal is to provide the best and personalized service at the most cost-effective price for starter online businesses in Canada. And remember, you're great at what you do, and we can help you be great at your numbers too.